Welcome back to the channel, guys. I have to thank you guys so much for the support you've been giving me. The support in the last video. Thank you guys for liking. Thank you guys for watching. You know, subscribing to the new subscribers. So I'm back here with vlog number 2. I don't know what will be in this week's vlog, but let's see how it goes. I actually have a surprise for you guys. I'm going to be giving away a $100 credit in another video. Yeah, so just stay tuned. I'm going to be reading some numbers at certain points in the video. So you know, if you get it at the end, you just comment and tell me.
Everybody on stage, oh Lord, oh. If you're coming down to the mountain, oh Lord, oh. When the rhythm beats in town, where you're jumping, see we jumping on what? The savannah grass, the savannah grass.
So this weekend, I get to do something where I always want to do. What I'm going to do this weekend is, well, Saturday day off, is I go hike the Blue Mountains. Those of you that don't know, the Blue Mountain is the highest point in Jamaica. It's the tallest mountain in Jamaica. So basically, I go up on top of Jamaica. As I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to be giving out the numbers to a phone card. So the first 2 digits on the phone card is 1 and 9.
So for the major part of my vlog this week, based on what I'm gonna do, I felt it was necessary to get a few things. So this is basically a tripod slash handle, so that the video footage and that shaky when I hold the camera. And as I said, based on what I'm gonna do, well, this is the part where I'm gonna attach the phone. So this I will go on this, so I attach the phone in another part, yeah. Anyway, and this is basically a power bank. So out of this, I'm supposed to can charge my phone about 1.5 times. Yeah man, about 1.5 times. You can charge my phone out of this.
So it's after 3:30. I'm just wake up. Seem like we catch flu. I say at the worst time we could catch flu when we plan to go on the mountains. So I just try rest today for most of the day and see how my condition can improve tomorrow. Boom! It's hike morning, guys, and I have to say my decision yesterday to lay low and relax, rest, you know, was a good decision, because I feel whole heap better today. I feel like 90% better. So just walking over to where we're going to leave from. Next 3 digits on the phone card is 9, 5 and 0. So it's 950. It's about 9:10 and we're there from about 7:40, but you know, Caribbean people, we're not too more time.
Even the real myself says clear it. The people them hungry for dancing, so we have to share it. Write some things, please. Write some things, please.
So the wind is ought to be bad. We just started from Hagley Gap and we're heading up to the cabins now.
Yeah.
saw this mountain with some clouds on top of it, and the man could know say we are go higher than that. Alright, so the tour guide say we are go Portland Gap, which is basically the gap we see in between the mountains there. So then you say Blue Mountain is actually behind this mountain here, so that's where we'd be going.
Apple, bean juice and peanut butter.
I don't remember. No, me try to find him name, but he's a secretive man, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, me can't find him name.
Right. Secret man.
Me try to find out.
And
I
some man
get ready for tomorrow. So much fun, like the weather, the atmosphere, just look like you probably can't see the fog, but legit can't see nothing beyond 12 feet. Or I end this section to read some more numbers off the phone card. 4952 4952. Oh, long time I got this message for you. On time. Ooh, ridiculous.
Energy God.
Well, I want to be like, oh.
4 man.
Yes.
2-6 in the back. I'm counting 5.
Yeah, me win, man.
Come up 5. Come up. That's it. A good one.
Energy.
Alright, so it's about 2:40 and we're up and I'm about to head out now to the mountain. So just to kick it off, the first 2 numbers is 56. Brother, it's freezing cold, like it's ridiculously cold. You don't know man never me come from, so I have to play tough. I not complain about the cold. You see the water? Water cold, like alone ice water. We're trying to catch the sunrise. Yeah? So we're supposed to reach up there by 6:30. I got kind of cut down the footage until this fine. Oi, what's your tree? Until the place clear up a bit. Oh, it's frightening me now. I don't know if you can see, but that's Kingston and Portmore.
say we walk from 240 and about 5:10 now. Man, I don't know if my camera gives it justice, but oh gosh. We're just in time for the sunrise. So I go take a president somewhere where we can get some good footage. Man, trust me, it's tedious but it's worth it. Alright, so the last 4 digits are 56 and 25. 56, 25. Alright, so we're actually going to leave the peak now. We're walking around to the second highest point that's around the next side of the mountain. And then we have a long walk go back down because we're walking back down to the cabins. Then we rest a little and then we walk back down to where we took the bus from yesterday. It's a long day, but yeah, we have we reach halfway in the journey basically. So we have to do it all over going home. The big bad sound. Oi, oi. Nothing ever come road. I know me alone. Burning like a fire. Whoa, whoa. John, just use this time to remind the winner, whoever is the winner of the phone card, just remind them to comment that they want it. You can just leave a comment with your name and that you want the phone card and how much it was, and I'll give you a shout out in the next video. Morning. Can't find nobody. I must run because I not catch up to nobody. I'm gonna try sound the tribe and see if I hear nobody answer. We're actually back at the campsite. We're actually back. Actually back at the campsite, guys. Oh my. Alright, brother. The rain make this ridiculously scary. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Feel free to leave a like, a comment. For the viewer that won the phone card, just remember to comment your name below so that you can get your shout out in the next video. Yeah? See you guys in the next one.